Generating sales is the holy grail for companies. To close a deal, one has to dirty their hands. To convert sales, it takes negotiation and multiple meetings or email correspondence. Thus, it is a time consuming process. Even though sales is a cornerstone of business development, organizations find it difficult to find qualified sales professional. Today on my show, I have Mr. Dinkar Suri. He's a sales management trainer with over 37 years of experience. His startup Gasp Sales Academy is helping train sales professionals. Let us find out what his vision is behind the academy. Welcome to the show, Mr. Suri.
Thank you, Major Saab. It's a pleasure to be here with My Startup TV.
Mr. Suri, tell us about the genesis of Gasp.
A very good question. I have spent about 37 years in sales and sales development. Initial years as working in companies and then as CEO. The thing I found about sales was that it wasn't structured in many companies. And I generally found salespeople, including myself when I was working a little bit without direction and without processes. So when I started my consulting business about a decade ago and started looking at small businesses, entrepreneurs, I found deep issues there, all the good things that I've learned about sales processes, and said, why don't I create a standardized toolkit which can be applied across industries, across sectors, across businesses that are at any stage of their evolution. I call it GASP, Generally Accepted Sales Principles, borrowing a leaf from my finance and accounting friends who have GAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. So that's the origin of GASP. It is modeled on GAP. I hope to make it a sales standard across companies. And that is what my mission that I have set out to do at the GASP Sales Academy.
Your training organization is named Sales Academy. Is there any particular reason for it, and how is it different from institution or institute?
So, basically, when you talk of sales, there is a lot on sales training, on selling skills, on how we negotiate, how we present a product to the customer, etc. The key part of sales is there's a lot that happens before we can get to a sales call, and a lot happens after the sales call also. Now, what I found is that these processes are not that well defined, A. So the first thing is to make people aware that there are processes, which means the main point that I make here is that sales, selling, and sales management is a science and not an art. When you say science, there are processes that you need to follow. And what we should be doing is following the process to get to the result rather than chase the result. So this is the first part of the thinking that one has to change when you look at sales. The second part is that, okay, let's accept that it's science, selling is a science and, we need to work on it. How do we actually do it? So it's like, MBBS degree, there is a doctor who goes through the 5-year course, gets proficient in medicine, then you have to practice it. Now, fortunately for people like finance colleagues or even manufacturing, there are many academies and training schools which impart this kind of training, practical training in institutions or as interns. In sales, it's not that widespread. So my objective of the Sales Academy is to deliver the GASP sales toolkit, which has got 27 processes. Let the people understand what the processes are, what they achieve, and how it benefits them if implemented, and then actually implement this. This is where the academy is very useful, because academy is a place of higher learning, and we will train and work with the cohorts to implement them in their ventures.
Will you be offering practical experience such as internship for students who undertake your course?
So what GASP Sales Academy is targeted towards entrepreneurs, SMEs, and MSMEs. It is not that excluding large corporations. But this SME, MSME, this is the heart of the Indian business. And this makes the whole economy tick. And so we're going to take people from there and show them what GASP is and how it works for their organization, sales organization, how it helps them to master sales execution and implement it along with them on a build, operate, transfer basis. We won't be there permanently, but we'll be a catalyst. We implement it, put the processes, and because it's a science, if they follow it, they'll get the result.
And would this be an online training program? For the benefit of all, do share the details of the program.
Gas Sales Academy is going to be a one-stop shop for anything on building sales productivity. That is the key deliverable of the Gas Sales Academy. So anything that matters on sales productivity, we will be tackling. To start with, we have our flagship course called Building Efficient Sales Organizations with GASP. So this takes a peek at all the 27 processes in the GASP, structured into customer management, sales partner management, sales team management, and sales operations management. Gives a peek over a 10-hour course, which is basically 2 hours every day across 5 days, with a day of a gap in between. Cohorts go through this and get a very clear understanding in a structured way from mentors like myself and my colleagues about what GASP is and what are the processes. Thereafter, we will work along with them to implement them in their ventures and handhold them. So there are two aspects to this course. The first is that included in the 10 hours is a free 2-hour negotiation skills training course. What I found with entrepreneurs is that they're actually pretty bad at selling. If you're an entrepreneur, you have to sell all the time. Apart from the customers, you're selling to your investors, to your other employees, to the government. So selling is part and parcel, and there's a science in selling. This is what GASP is. So it's not only about selling, but GASP covers the other aspects as well. But not to neglect the core aspect, which is the selling skills. We're going to have a 2-hour sales negotiation course on that, followed by a 1-hour free mentoring for each of the cohorts on applying this in their ventures.
It is difficult to find people interested in sales because it is seen as difficult work due to the process and time it takes to close a deal. So, for whom is your course designed? Meaning, is it for students or early stage business professionals?
In the first part, this concept is actually interesting to anybody who wants to get into sales. This is a general statement. It is not covered by any MBA program anywhere in any institute, anywhere in the world. So GASP Sales Academy is the only academy or institute that is focusing exclusively on building sales productivity. Now, at the first instance, we are looking to basically help entrepreneurs who either have a business idea or have a running business or have a mature business to improve the performance. This is my first, I would say, low-hanging fruit. Of course, students will be keen to look at it. We have other people who are in the periphery. So for these, we will be doing a lot of webinars, free webinars, which convey the whole concept. GASP is a movement that I want to create. So the more people in sales who get to know about it, get to understand what it is, will benefit. And the fundamental issue with organizations is after they get the funding, they set up the factory and they get the people. Actually, the real work starts from that time. And that is getting to the customer and getting the customer reach, getting the market share. It's an ongoing battle. So this is what the GASP Sales Academy is trying to do. We welcome everybody, but the course as designed today, the first course specifically, is actually more suited for entrepreneurs. We have a list of courses that we want to tackle, and we will get to that as we go through the places in the GASP Sales Academy based on the feedback. But some obvious ones are a complete range of sales training programs on negotiation skills, steps of the call, overcoming objections, so on and so forth. And then the very interesting aspect of design thinking also, which is part of the GASP and comes as a small part initially about how to innovate. So there is a deep dive that is possible on every aspect of the GASP. And that is what we hope to go to. So as we expand our courses, to answer your question, perhaps more of the student community, the universities could be interested to put this as part of the curriculum. But as of now, we are really targeted on running businesses and entrepreneurs.
I'm sure your course would be of great benefit for young entrepreneurs. And thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hosting you on other shows.
Thank you so much. Thank you.